The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So today I'm taking Travis and Beans to the Orchid waterfalls that is up by pretty close in Gordon Town. But before we even get into that, you know that today's video is powered by bikini bottoms. You guys have already seen that whenever we go out to rivers and beaches and stuff like that, the ladies are going to be fitted in bikinis, and that is just a sight to behold. So you guys can go over to their Instagram page, check them out, and copy your bikinis, because next year they're going to be having their grand restocking. Anyway, now of course we're doing this long hike, and I just thought to myself, well, it's not really a long hike, but I thought to myself that on the way we can just stop off and just make something to eat. You know, as a Jamaican, whenever you're by the river or you go to a beach, you're gonna feel hungry. So we're gonna stop off, make something quick to eat. It's definitely gonna lessen our hike time, and at the same time, yeah, make the adventure even more fun. Anyway, let's concentrate on this hike and just take in all the beauty that there is up here in Gordon Town, Jamaica. Alright, so on my last hike here, I was just walking by and I saw this fridge. It was just turned over at the side of the river, and I was just like, yo, let's just repurpose that. Probably make a cooking board and just run some food, you know? So we're gonna have to head up to this little mini waterfall or whatever it is, and then get up to there, and then we can just start the whole cooking process. It was literally like a 3-minute walk from pretty close, so it's not that far. Oh wow. This is really nice, guys. This is a real nice little vibe. Now, of course, as logic would have it, depends on what time of the year the riverbed will look this way. So we have recently come out of our hurricane or rainy period, so I think it's at a very nice height. But if the rains are coming down hard, it might not look exactly the same if you decide to do an experience like this for yourself. But nonetheless, yo, there's just so many different waterways to explore, and of course you don't have to do cooking or anything like that. You can just probably get a box of fast food or something, or get some fruits, or have some food done by pretty close, and then you can trek up here and have the very same experience that I'm having. But of course, you don't know, we like to cook, and you guys enjoy watching that content as well, so vibe. Wow. Kids! Kids! Look good, though.
No, I wouldn't have guessed that this is here.
Right? Back. Alright, so we are back to our little cooking spot. So yeah, let's figure out if we want to cook on the fridge or not, but let the cooking begin. General, what you say? Where it feel? Go fun. Touch you out a lie?
Nah, man, I
Yeah, man.
Straight. Fully yours.
See which side is smoother side. See if over here so good. Yeah? That's so good? Check with time, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Pampa can get a rock and put it to balance a little bit more up so. Our vibe. Travis! Banana leaf! Alright, so in my hand here in Jamaica, they call it the chocolate fruit, or some other countries they might say cacao, but this is where chocolate comes from. Now, on the farm, yeah, it's been a minute since I posted a video for Soai Farms, but things are going. On the farm, we do have a couple of these trees. Now, the funny story is, Travis told me that one day he actually cut this thing open and he actually made juice from it. It sounds kind of strange, but today's gonna also be my very first time trying this and probably your very first time seeing this as well. So he's gonna be using the insides with some lime, some water, and make some juice. Guys, you don't know. I think this is gonna be a vibe. And of course, we have some other ingredients for the fish. We're gonna be using cabbage, carrots, and okra. We did make some homemade herb butter as well, and had the fish pre-seasoned last night, because sometimes when we're going camping or doing these type of videos, we don't want to be doing too much out here. We do want the explosive flavors of the food with proper marination. So yeah, that's going to be the vibe. Travis is going to take over right now and show us his, what do you call it?
Perfect juice. And we are going to name it.
Perfect juice.
Perfect juice.
All right, now say the name perfect juice.
Yeah.
It's a vibe.
Cheers.
Wow, guys, look at that. I'm gonna try one of these. I've tried it before, but this one is from our little farm, so let's see how good it is. Beans. This one actually tastes better than down, so. Wow. It's kind of sticky, kind of slimy feeling, but it's almost like a sweet sop, sour sop type of vibe together. So yeah, this can definitely work. So FYI, this is actually just regular water.
Regular water.
Not coconut water.
So basically what we go do is like juice like how we juice sour sop. See me. So
Same vibe.
same vibe. So see like how we juice sour sop. So we go with the juice to just get the flavors them from out of the seeds and things. Okay, so how we are going to do now, we are going to strain it off and things.
Okay.
So I get out the juice and things so you see them can throw it. So
And we probably can save back some of that to make some cocoa tea next day.
even that you see me. So we wash out it. One. Normally peeps, all these here, I know we don't call them here a breeder or
Strong up!
you know, you're just, you see,
No breathing, not go on now. Jaja. Oh my.
sugar and you look for sweetness.
And I eat that.
And that
That is it.
that is it.
Perfect juice.
Perfect. Yes, it is.
So funny story, Jilly just checked on the internet and found that cocoa juice is actually a thing. Like I always like to say, great minds think alike. And I tried it just now, it's a really good drink. It tastes more like a lemonade, so I think you probably might need a lot more of that cocoa to get more of the fruits off of it. But you don't know, whenever you're in the bush and you find these crazy ingredients, it's always good to be creative and use them. So that's a vibe. Anyway, back to the cooking, and yo, guys, you need to come out here, enjoy this vibe, the river, everything.
Guys, you know you said this one a little? It's called nosy.
Nosy.
You never do this. Then you have another thing where you used to from the flowers, or you don't?
From the okra?
Yeah. Hi.
You're really nosy.
Bad.
liquid. Cacao beans. Nicely steamed fish. It have a little green banana smell because of the banana leaf. Wow. Meat look well cooked. Good? Try corn. Even though you eat off most of the corn. Wow. The juices, look at the butter. Juices are still there, nice. Good. Alright, the world already know I'm not the biggest fan of fish, so Jillian and I are sharing a fish, and Travis is also with his own personal one. But the meat on the fish is not overcooked. Wow. Sure, them al dente and cabbage. Wow. The corn. That's another fish, right? Yep. That's the best part about cooking. When Jillian and I went to the tiny cabin, we did a steamed fish, but we also now further improved it. So using that, wow. Oh my. So good. That's slap though. Wow. shouldn't share it. Alright guys, so we can say that we probably left here a little bit better than we came inside. We repurposed the fridge, so yeah, it's a nice little cooking spot, cooking table. And I'll definitely come back here again to cook some food. If you guys didn't realize Travis eating any food, that's because he didn't eat any food as yet. He's bringing his fish up to the waterfalls, which kind of sucks because we're gonna have to watch him eat. But we'll get his feedback when we get up here. Anyway, let's continue the hike. So yesterday, it's November 9th now, but yesterday, November 8th, was the day my best friend passed away. And I'm just now walking, and honestly, yeah, this is the part where I fell, so I'm gonna be very cautious. Hear me falling, Julie, so hold on. Take your time, give me a hand. Travis, careful here. So yeah. It's very liberating to know that, you know, I'm capable of doing these things, you know, these excursions for however long I'll be able to do it. And I remember my best friend used to just watch the videos and he used to be like, yo, you know, keep doing it, you know, keep showing people, those who can and those who can't, you know, make these treks, you know, keep inspiring. So K-Star, I know you're in heaven, bro. Love you. Thanks for everything that you've done, all the times that you've inspired me to keep going, and enough love to his family who, you know, still show me a lot of support whenever I go to Miami. I have a place to crash, so, you know, it's amazing. And yeah, just keeping basking in this place. And another key pointer, it's cool to be in the bushes and you kind of know where to go in a place that seems very directionless. Beans and a tired out. Where your boss? So hopefully I remember the names. That's Banga, Abama, and Coffee, and Brownie. Banga or Bama. Boss, make a journey with film fish. So
oh my. What steam? What steam? Father. You can see a car. That's a fish. That's true.
Yeah, we saw the juice, dog. You
Johnny, breather. I breather.
I breather, you throw it. I eat that cheese, you can see what I go and see it, though.
Problem. Yeah.
Official.
Boy. Yeah, girl. I want a kick, bro.
That one a kick, though.
I want a hot, man. Hot. Hotter than the steam or jump out there, bro. No joke there.
So, we have a juice in there, so that we're gonna try. Right, Julie says it's kind of like a lychee type of lemonade thing going on. It's cold. Amazing, try it.
In case you heard it.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes nice. Tastes like salsa juice.
Yeah.
With lime.
How is it? Cool? You're nice.
I thought it was gonna break my wrist.
What?
I thought it was gonna break my wrist.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because I'm not like this, I was like, that's nice.
And you said this swimsuit is by?
Bikini bottoms, baby! Woo!
So one thing to note, of course in Jamaica we do use our rivers, we use our waterfalls. So like you came here and realized you don't know somebody else, make sure them wash them clothes. And I think that's one of the best experiences you can have. You don't have to pay electric bill if you use the washing machine, and then at the end you can hold a shower and just a nice peace of mind. Shove it straight out water, I lie.
Let me know.
Guys, mango from the tree, a vibe. I think it's safe to say that today was a good day. Ended the day with a beautiful mango. It's not an East Indian or a Julie or anything like that, but sometimes the simplest common things are the best. Anyway guys, thank you so much for rolling with us today and for big extra shout out to the people who actually drop a like on the video, actually take some time out just to comment something positive. Really appreciate that. It does spur us on to make more content like these and just to share more of our lives with you when it comes down to, you know, everything soy. Anyway guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember,
Thirdly.
want a piece?
No, thank you.